Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Venmo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is how do you transfer money from your Venmo to your bank account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to transfer money from your Venmo to your bank account? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you work in e-commerce and one of your clients pays you through Venmo, but you need the money in your bank account to cover other expenses. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Venmo app. It's this blue and white one here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Venmo app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Venmo app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to transfer your money from your Venmo to your bank account, first you're going to need to click on your profile icon. It's down here on the bottom right. Once you click there, you will see your balance in Venmo. You can see I have just $25.40. If you don't see your balance for some reason, make sure that this button is clicked on wallet, not on transactions. Now, in order to send this money from your Venmo to your bank account, you need to click on this blue manage button here on the right. Once you click there, you're going to see two different options, and you want to click on this one here called transfer to bank because we are sending money from Venmo to our bank account. Okay, so once you click there, you get to choose how much money you want to transfer from your Venmo to your bank account. By default, it's going to populate for the full amount. However, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do a little bit. Next, you have to choose if you want to do instant or if you'd like to do 1 to 3 business days. 1 to 3 business days is going to be an ACH transfer, and there is no cost for that. If you do instant, there is a fee. The minimum fee is going to be 25 cents or a percentage of what you're going to be sending. If you want to do instant money from your Venmo to your bank account, this also has to be through your debit card. It won't be through your bank account. If you need help adding in your debit card or you're connecting your bank account to Venmo, go back and watch my other video that describes that in details. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and do 1 to 3 business days. Okay, next it's letting me know it's going to go to my Chase account. If this account is not correct, just click on the bank and then you can go ahead and update that before you transfer money from your Venmo to your bank account. For me, that works okay. If all that looks good to you, go ahead and click on this green transfer button here at the bottom. Okay, and just a quick second later, this page refreshes. You can see my Venmo balance has gone down by $1 and that transaction is in process. They do let you know if you're sending money from Venmo to your bank account, it can take 1 to 3 business days, which means weekends and holidays do not count. However, in my experience, it's usually there available on the next business day. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to transfer money from your Venmo to your bank account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.